With the long weekend around the corner, many of us are getting ready to embrace the Thanksgiving holiday. Here with some creative and budget-friendly ways to celebrate is a lifestyle expert, Janette Ewen. Janette, nice to see you.
Nice to see you as well. Happy almost Thanksgiving.
Thank you, you too. And I know this Thanksgiving will feel a little bit different, right? So many people are vaccinated, some more people are getting together. And so last year, it's different from last year. So we can kind of start planning again. But I guess that brings me to that initial question is where and how do we start planning for this?
Whenever I'm planning something, well, anything, I always pick a theme and run with it. So this year I'm doing outdoor brunch. You can go glam. And what I start with is just putting together a little Pinterest board of things that are inspiring me. And then I shop my own home. I pull things that I already have and I create a staging area. While I'm doing this, I often enjoy a pumpkin spice latte. And this is the new pumpkin spice latte from my favorite organic traditions who are known for their organic superfood. The latte is creamy, healthy, 100% pumpkin, dairy-free. I'll be serving it to my guests. It's made with a creamy coconut base. You just have to add water, and it's limited edition actually at Sobeys right now.
I actually have those. That is so good, the new one.
It's so good.
It's really good. And it's, as you say, it's easy. So you just have it. You can even take it to work with you because, as you say, you just add hot water.
Yes, and you can bake with this mix too, which I thought was really cool.
Yeah, you can. Okay, all right, so let's talk about some of the trends that we're seeing. There's always trends, even with the holidays.
I think the biggest trend this year is actually taking it outside, especially with that weather report for the weekend. And I like to elevate my outside. I'll bring a lot of my indoor items out, so maybe a fir throw or something. And I also like to keep it Canadian, so I picked up a lot of my dining accessories at Canadian Tire. They've got the beautiful canvas collection, from these lovely wooden bowls to these slate trays, a lot of great stuff. And to keep it extra Canadian, I brought in Wayne Gretzky's Merlot and Pinot Grigio. I actually, in the video, you'll probably see both bottles of wine. I drank one. It was so smooth and delicious. The Pinot Grigio started the Merlot last night. It's amazing. 100% Canadian and made in Niagara region, which is really great.
That's a great choice. As you say, let's keep it local and home, right? Why not?
Yes.
No, I don't know about you, Janette. You probably don't because you are such a good at planning. And I'm a planner too, but I find when I'm hosting, I get stressed. So maybe some tips on trying to keep down the stress for people while they're planning having a bunch of people over.
Lists are key. Assigning tasks, get all family members working, and create a budget. I find it stressful if we are going into the unknown for me. And as we move into the entertaining season, this is the time of year we really want to use those budgets, lists, assigning tasks. And also, I like anything that does remove uncertainty. So recently I applied actually for a credit card, which normally gives me anxiety, but not anymore. I tried this great new tool from Quick Check at Capital One, which allowed me with 100% certainty of which one of their credit cards I'd be approved for in as little as 15 seconds without impacting my credit score. This eliminated the uncertainty that was along with my lists. You can visit CapitalOne.ca/life and credit for information, and there's some conditions and limitations that do apply for that, but really, really easy.
Well, and great, and it always is. Everybody needs to at least have like a credit card on them, right, in this day and age. So that seems like it's an easy process. Right?
Yeah, for sure.
Okay, so all right, so let's talk about maybe some of the twists that you can add to Thanksgiving, because I know you're very creative.
Again, like I said, I'm doing a brunch this year, and I had a lot of fun with unconventional recipes. So I did, instead of chicken and waffles, I did Belgian waffles with turkey and cranberry sauce, which was really fun.
Oh, good idea.
Little individual crepes as well. And I used my tried and true, also just loving Canada and Canadian, the nest egg and the omega-3 eggs. So I love Burn Bay Farms and all of their shell eggs. There's really help you get creative in the kitchen, and there's really a variety for everyone to accommodate your needs. The omega-3 is my go-to because it's got a lot of natural ingredients like DHA and omega-3 fatty acids. And you know what? It's just, eggs are easy and quick, and we sometimes forget that we can elevate them, we can make them casual. There's just so many options with those.
That's the thing. You can have eggs for breakfast, right? It always goes back to eggs for dinner, I should say. My son is very happy when you have eggs for dinner. Absolutely. Well, Janette, thank you so much for coming on the show. And this gives us a heads up because, yes, Thanksgiving weekend is coming upon us, but at least we're starting on a Monday. Let's start planning. And thanks for all your tips. You're the best.
Thank you so much. Take care.
All right, that's it for now. More details on chch.com. That's it. Have yourself a good morning.